Hello, I'm Paddy from creativemedia.org.uk and I'm doing my annual reprint of Filofax pages. Yes, for all the high-tech stuff I like to do, I'm a bit low-tech when it comes to diaries. And I've got an old-fashioned Filofax. So, I like to print my own pages because I'm just a bit of a cheapskate when it comes to buying paper with printing on for a high price. And it's nice to have them how I like them. So I used to use an Excel spreadsheet that I'd made, and it was a real pain to get everything together. So I thought I'd write a program which I could share with other people to do it for you. And what it does is it prints out, I've cut this up already, it prints out the dates with the starting date in 3 columns like this. I've cut it up into 3 columns, and all you need to do is trim off the bottom to make it fit in your Filofax, so that will fit inside there, and then you just need 2 vertical cuts to get them into 3 columns. And the great thing with how this is laid out is you've got one column which goes, all in order, and then the next one can go behind that, and then the next one can go behind that, and then that's all in the right order. Previously I used to have to kind of sort things from one column, then the next column, and the next column, and put them in a pile in the right order, and things would go wrong. So as long as you've got a decent guillotine, I've got a fairly chunky one like this, which can cut through all those 42 sheets which my software prints out. And you make sure you use short edge binding and double-sided printing, because obviously you need to print on the 2 sides. And if you have long edge binding, it'll print the backs of them upside down and you'll waste a lot of paper. So short edge binding is the one you want to go for in the printer options. And the layout isn't perfect. These should be up perfectly in the middle, and they're not quite, but it's pretty close. And the other pitfall is make sure you punch the Filofax holes on the correct side. So it'll be on this side for these. Previous times I've punched them on the wrong side and got very confused. I hope that tool is useful to you. Click on the adverts if you find it a useful tool. The link to the tool is in the description of this video, so you can find it. Thanks for watching.